Macaroni and cheese. What's that? Do you want more? Oh. Well, I cut them up a little bit.
But is it not baby ones?
No, it's just like yours.
Oh, you know that I chewed them? That's my fork.
You go sit down and eat your dinner. Aw, that was nice.
I said pancakes.
Yeah.
I knew I was going to get my pajamas on, and I did.
I know.
I was a good girl.
Yes, you were.
So I said yes.
We'll have to talk about that. What do you think, Austin? What do you think? Say, More? That's a big bite right there. Mommy didn't want to give you all of them. Yummy. Yummy.